Hi, it's Nørgaard. So today I'm doing a new try-on haul. I'm trying on all these swimsuits from H&M. And I'm sorry that I'm sweating, it's so hot today. And by the way, do you guys like my makeup? I was inspired by Time the Infamous, her most recent tutorial. She did like a teal and blue eye look that I recreated today. I love how it looks. Anyways, back to the haul. I got 6 different swimwear outfits to show you. By the way, I am going to be updating my editing software soon. Shout out to Miss Charlie Nails for hooking me up. I'm going to switch my editing software program soon. I just have to have the coins first. So next month I'm going to switch. So for this try-on haul, I am going to talk about the pieces and then show you the pieces on, because I can't do the split screen on Windows Movie Maker. So anyways, enough of that, let's get started. So the first swimsuit I have is this adorable little set. It's this beautiful muted yellow color with this kind of, what do you call it, like mesh or netting kind of detailing. I got the bottoms in a size US 12 and the top in a size US 10. I wanted the top in a size 12 as well, but that was out of stock. So I just got the size 10 in the top instead, and it is a bit too small. And also this is not my favorite swimsuit in this haul. I don't think this looks very flattering on me because these briefs, they are low rise. And my problem area is my stomach. I'm always trying to hide my stomach or make it look smaller in some way. So this bikini just didn't do it for me. It didn't cut it.
Close your eyes. Would you dream for me? Some paradise. Tell me who you see, 'cause
So next up we have this green, like kind of a khaki green 3-piece bikini set. So here you have the top. The top is really nice. I believe I got this. Yeah, I got this in a US size 12. And this fits really beautifully. I love the color. I love the kind of crochet detailing. I do also think the bikini bottoms are quite cute, even though these are also low rise. I like these better than the previous bikini bottoms. And finally, the set has this kind of fishnet shirt that you wear over the bikini top. And when I saw this online, I thought it was so cute, so stylish, just adorable, and I just wanted to try it. And again, I got this in a size 12, and I think it looks cute, but it's very tight in the arms. It does have some stretch, but not a whole lot, and I don't have like the biggest arms ever, and usually I never have problems with shirts fitting on the arm area, but this one is a little tight for some reason. So I do think this set is cute. It's definitely better than the previous set, but it's not something I'm 100% in love with, because again, it does not do anything for my stomach, for hiding my stomach. So
I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you. I like the chase, and I know you do too. Am I just
So next up we have this sporty set. And again with this, I was so intrigued when I saw it on H&M's website, because I thought it was so stylish, like so trendy. And usually with H&M, I feel like they get the trends really late. So as you can see, it's a long sleeve bikini top with some high-waisted, like really high-waisted bikini bottoms. I also really like the color. It's super dark, but not, you know, not completely black. And by the way, I got both of these in a size large. That is the biggest size that these come in. I think they fit me just fine. So while I like the style and I like the trendiness of these items, I don't like that the top, you know, it supports nothing because it is just a top. It's like wearing a tight shirt without any bra underneath. So if you need help with a little lift, this will not cut it. In the try on, I'm trying this on without anything underneath it. But if I were to wear this, I would probably wear a different bikini top underneath it. You know, one that holds my boobs up. It's not too terrible because it has the kind of spandex material, but it's something to be aware of.
With the idea of you, 'cause I'd cross a million seas. Would you do that for me? Yeah, I'd fly this whole world twice if I could be your paradise.
By the way, I want to mention that I do have eczema, and right at the moment it's pretty bad. So if you notice on my stomach I'm a bit red and a bit brown, that is what it is. So just excuse that. I also have it on my hand and a little bit over here, you guys can probably tell. But anyways, whoops, moving along. So this piece is my absolute favorite from this whole haul. This is a shapewear swimsuit. I have been wanting this exact swimsuit since last year. This H&M shapewear swimsuit comes in a bunch of different colors. This one was the only one that was available in a size 12. And I'm so glad I got a size 12 and not a size 10 because this is tight. This is extremely tight. Of course it is so tight because it has that shapewear around the stomach and the butt and the hips and the back. So that is why it is tight. So yeah, I would definitely recommend not sizing down. Like if you're in between sizes, go with the bigger size. But yeah, I just love everything about this. I did wear this out on the beach on my birthday actually. I have some pictures up on Instagram if you're interested. But yeah, I love everything about it. I love how it's cut at the leg. It's super flattering. I love how it looks on the butt. I love how it looks on the boobs. It does have a little bit of padding and it just really lifts the boobs and just make them look incredible. And because it has a little bit of this ruching here at the side, that just helps to kind of conceal the stomach area. So next up I have another one of my favorite pieces. This is another bathing suit, and this is just a regular bathing suit. It's not anything with, you know, the shapewear built in or anything. But the reason why I picked this up is because I want to show you guys that if you do not want to wear a shapewear bathing suit, you can wear a bathing suit with a print and it will give you a lot of the same effect. So if you guys did not know this, prints are great if you're trying to hide something and make things look less noticeable. Normally when I'm trying to hide my stomach, I would go for a black color because black makes things look smaller. But something that works even greater is a print. So this will have that smoothing effect without actually being shapewear. So it's extremely comfortable. It has a built-in, like kind of a little built-in bra, and because it has the built-in bra, it really holds the boobs nicely. I think this looks really great on. I got this in a size 12. It fits really beautifully. I think it fits perfectly, but it's not tight like the previous bathing suit.
Some paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I think I know what you mean to me. What you mean to me, but does this work only 'cause we...
I'm sorry, I'm sweating my ass off. I get like a little sweat mustache. Anyways, last swimwear is this bikini. Now this, when I saw it online, I was immediately drawn in by the colors and the cuts. I don't know why, but this kind of burgundy with this kind of awkward color, I just thought it was so stunning. But of course this is a teeny bikini, so I don't really know. I think if I lost like 20 or 30 pounds, this would look awesome. But right now I'm not really comfortable wearing this. I think it's definitely a little bit too... there's just not enough fabric. I got the top in a size 10 and the bottoms in a size 12. If I remember correctly, the top only went up to a size 10. I would definitely have preferred to get a size 12 in the top because it barely covers my boobs. Like I can't, normally I like my boobs to be a little more centered, but with this bikini top I have to scoop them out a little bit because if I don't, my nipples will be showing. It's kind of hard to explain, but basically because I have to move my boobs a little bit out, I get a little bit of, you know, the boob spillage over on the side, which I'm always trying to avoid that. But I simply can't push my boobs in further to the middle because then it's going to be spilling out here and then my nipples are going to be out. So anyways, another problem I have with the top is this thing. This thing goes around underneath the bust, but it is so hard to get this on because it twirls and twirls and twirls when you put it over your head. It's so annoying. I wish this had like a little clasp so you could close it in the back. That would have been so much easier. This little thing is just so annoying. Like every time I have to get it on and off, it takes me like 10 minutes to get this damn top on because I have to stand there and twirl it around to get it to be straight. So yeah, as I said, this is not my favorite, but I think if I lost, you know, the 20-30 pounds, I would love this.
Say what we think, waiting for the perfect way. Time don't speak, got me on delay, 'cause I crossed a million seas. Would you do that for me?
So anyways, that is all that I got for you in this haul today. I will do my very best to find every single piece and link them down below. I also bought a bunch of swimsuits on eBay and I can't wait to do that try on haul for you guys because some of those swimsuits are just so horrible. So anyways, if you enjoyed today's try on haul, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. So take care and bye bye.